Amaparamima.
That's a night at the conference.
Kongene. Na, how Igbo Day.
Igbo Day. Hi. My friend love. On can I mean Enfield.
Oni watarozi text. Nenu ni eba. Text ndi hena sended. Goya.
The Congress of Igbo Leaders, UK, presents the Igbo Festival of Arts and Culture from the shores of Arochukwu to the hills of Enugu, through the civilization of Nri and Ibuku, down to the rising sun of Ogwashuku. The Igbos of Nigeria will showcase their rich cultural and traditional heritage to the British community. A journey that will take our audience through the history of Igbo civilization. Date, 6th of July 2013. Time, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Place, Jubilee Park, Gillard Road, Edmonton, N9 7RH, London.
The event is free and sponsors are highly needed.
Free. Enubia, where?
Jubilee Park, Gillard Road, Edmonton, N9 7RH.
Time,
11 a.m. to 8 p.m.
and date,
Saturday the 6th of July 2013.
it's the 6th.
6th of July.
Conference.